Oh, hello everybody. I honestly have to apologize. I have not been making near enough videos on this channel, so I'm doing a giveaway as a peace offering. Please forgive me. Let me tell you all about this keyboard that I will be giving away, what makes it different from other keyboards on the market, and how you can enter to win one. Thank you so much to Epomaker for sponsoring this giveaway and this explainer video. So this is the new Epomaker TH108 V2 Pro keyboard. It's a full-size mechanical hot swappable keyboard, and I have it here in white and pink to try out, although there's a black version if that matches your setup better. The first generation of this keyboard is pretty well reviewed for its quality, sound, and feel, especially for the price, as it's priced under $100, but still has a bunch of higher end features and does the basics very well. So let's take a look at the new version. It comes with the keyboard itself, a braided USB-C to USB-A cable, a 2-in-1 switch/keycap puller, and 2 extra switches. The pink version has this gradient style coloring to the keycaps with side lettering, while the white has a soft color palette with lettering on the top. It measures about 17.5 by 5.5 inches and has little feet on the back so you can adjust the angle. One of those feet is hiding the wireless dongle as well. You'll notice a knob, screen, and 2 switches here at the top to swap connectivity, as it supports wireless, Bluetooth, and wired, and to easily switch between Windows and Mac depending on your OS of choice. Let's turn it on. Looking at the TFT screen, it can show system info like time, date, battery status, etc. And the knob here can adjust volume, change RGB, swap between systems, and even lock the Windows key if you want that for gaming. The RGB lighting is per key with a few lighting effects you can swap between, and there's these customizable side light strips as well. You can change the lighting using the knob or hotkeys that come listed in the manual. Now, if you're planning to use this keyboard wirelessly, you'll want to know that it has a 10,000 milliamp battery, which should last you just over 40 hours with the RGB and screen going strong, or it's rated for over 200 hours with all the fancy lighting and screen turned off. Now, let's talk about the feel and the sound. You can get this keyboard with either the creamy jade switches or sea salt silent V2 switch. Both linear, factory pre-lubricated, and pretty dang quiet, although the sea salt silent V2 I have here on the pink version are much quieter. Epomaker puts quite a bit of sound dampening inside the case, so I'm sure that helps out with the noise level too. Give a listen for yourself. The feel overall is really smooth for both. Linear switches offer a smooth, consistent, and quieter keystroke from top to bottom, and while I personally love a more tactile feel with a noticeable clack, lots of folks prefer a linear switch for FPS and fast-paced gaming. Personal preference, really. With that being said, the TH108 V2 Pro is totally hot swappable for the keys, so if you want a more crisp, tactile, or clicky feedback, you can swap out for any 3 or 5 pin MX switches you prefer. The keyboard itself feels durable and good to game on. However, the polling rate is highest, 1000 Hertz, when plugged in, so keep that in mind if you are more of a sweaty or competitive gamer. It also features N key rollover and is anti-ghosting. Now, let's chat giveaway details. I'm lawful good, so I like to do everything by the book, so you'll find all the giveaway terms and conditions and how to enter linked in the description. This is a worldwide giveaway as much as I'm able to make it so, given Epomaker shipping requirements. Again, check out that link for specifics, and great news, by watching this video, you've already earned an entry. Huzzah! The winner will be announced via a pinned comment right here on this video in approximately 2 weeks' time. I don't know when you're watching this. Again, check that link for specifics. Okay, I'm gonna stop saying check that link for specifics and go now. Thanks for watching, everybody. Bye.